up, guys? Headed out to the MGK show. We're gonna go see that shit. Watch Young Thug.
Let's just talk about your mohawk. That is huge.
I mean...
But yeah, we'll post up some videos of the show, and we'll see you guys later.
New tattoo.
You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like this. Fucking nice ass, perfect night for a fucking party to end this fucking 2019. I'll tell you that much. Hey, hated the most, so I keep my haters close. Let them know I want the smoke. So much better, I got a boss. It's burning, turn you into toast. Get up, hey, I'm so G, I don't keep that. Hey, I beat your ass, you try to press that issue on me. Hey, I keep a stash, I'm the Ronnie sippers on me. I got bitches blowing like I got a whistle on. Kiss out key to paper, kiss out on the paper. Get the fuck up. Get up, get up. On the cross when they cross me over something so petty, kill them all, even if I die like method man in the belly. I am John Kelly, that shit you can tell me, get me drunk and mad, and if I go pop the trunk of the Chevy, I'm a dad in the savage. This is not an image like Eddie, rap a currency like a spitter on Treddy, and let it fall like confetti, fall for my dog, like I like in the city. I need more like Mandy, yeah, stay up, take hands, yeah, I'm trying to fix this damage, yeah, you know I keep that candy, yeah, I need more like Mandy, yeah. Stay up, take that easy. If I want no but I cannot hide in hills of California. Because there's several sacrifices and I got paranoia. I hurt myself sometimes, is that just paranoia? Watch me, take a good thing and fuck it all up in one night. so close to the dream that I can't go to sleep. I work hard, I won't sway. Trying to forget I'm in a man, chicken spans and mad mind spans. And my friend, I thought was family, he'd always understand me. Got offended cause he jealous, we're supposed to be at the Grammy. Now with the pride and passion, and mistaken by handouts and asking. So should I roll like? See, I fuck up and lose control. Burn so many bridges, got nowhere to go. Bitches got these motives like Anna and Cole. Hey. I said, open it up, yeah. Wait for it, look. I just spent too many minutes watching little videos of shit you wanna be rappers dissing me. Wait for it. It's gonna win a living after someone trying to send me kill shot missing me. Hey, dumb blind down in a double X smile, got a gang gang sizzling. Hey, why you think they come in the jungle? I'm popping up with anybody in the drill of me. Jacking on, never kill, Bill, who's stopping and I still will. We can take it back to 2012, I'm a jumper on the tour bus with big meal. Take it back to Cleveland when the gang changed 17 years, no big deal. 2014 when the people trying to rob me with a lot of your head. 50 my corporate law.
I'm so sweaty and I'm so out of breath and so out of shape. But how was your first MGK concert?
Oh my god, it was fucking amazing.
I know, me too, girl.
We laced up, machine gun kelly.
What up? For the most part.
Yeah, that tag in, bro. Looking like a hole in that.
That's sick, dude. They've liked my post too. I got them to like that.
Okay, guys, and that was the MGK concert. How was it, baby?
It was a bomb.
Look at your mohawk.
Yeah, it's dead.
He ran right past us. I was on the guardrail. I told Jaren, I was like, you gotta stand on the guardrail. And so I stood up there and he ran right past me. It was so dope.
Make sure you guys hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, notifications, turn them bad boys on. We'll have some free stuff and some cool merch and some new ideas, events, and
Open to
things coming up here soon.
Yay. Until next time, guys. Rock the axe. Yeah? Yeah?
Chicken sandwich is delicious.
Babe, Rook, seeing your fucking tattoo.
Yeah.
Wait, where are you?
I'm always supposed to make like a super big deal about it.
Like,
So funny.
he literally opened his phone and was like, seeing your fucking name, Oxford 8 tattoo.
Yes.
Floor 13, show off your tattoo. Good choice, good choice.